one country's perspective on something. It's not all sweeping, but I think you'll get the picture though. Oh yeah, and it starts immediately, so 1, 2, 3. Never anything to do in this town. Wish I had a cause instead I'm going out getting drunk, trying to fuck, waking up sick of staring at walls. Uni looking too expensive and I can't get a job. I got an uncle, he said he paid my way through college. All I gotta do is earn my stars and stripes and combat. See the glow with greatness in his eyes under the top hat. Wanna be all I could be, so if I die for my country I'ma go cause at least somebody wants me.
Don't know what to do with your life? Then ask a therapist, cause the suicide hotlines are tapped by terrorists. Recruiting new members for their organizations. It takes more than a nation of millions to push us forward. It takes an American flag and every last heroin addict so we can have them get high on national pride and rationalize their celebrity status after they die. Or we can finally bury their caskets and honor their memory lapses by forgetting that anything happened. Whatever works to keep you sane and ease the pain, cause not even the pills will help. The news is so bad, the messenger killed himself. Enjoy your new home under the tombstone, sending the next line of defense. The rest died from the side effects of looking down the barrel of a gun at both ends. Not pointing the finger, that's a dripping syringe. Train gorillas with painkillers till they fight like it's a split screen video game to earn you 15 minutes of fame. I am your Uncle Sam, not your father, understand? Want you more expendable and stronger than a 9/11 first responder.
Call me soldier so much I don't know my real name. Left my legs in Baghdad and ran out of morphine. Pawn of my fate is a pawn of the game. While your taxes fund healthcare for a ride. The VA won't pay for shit. I'm living in the cardboard foxhole shivering while the winter snow becomes a desert sand. I used to kill for opportunity, now beg for change. From a difference in his hands, they're better change. As I live in fester in despair and decay, I guess it's the American way. You sold me, my rival is my only friend. I'll never forget it. Thank God the founding fathers gave me a second amendment.
That's that one. It's the gun one.